good. I might even get in a tussle just to prove it to y'all. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm Intisar, Eleanor. I appreciate you guys coming on through and hanging out with your girl. And I'm coming through. Yeah, I got on a wig, child. I'm looking tired, but I'm getting myself together because I got things to do and places to see and people to do and all that. If you're picking up what I'm putting down. I'm coming through with Unice hair. Okay. So we were so graciously provided a 26-inch. They're saying this is 26-inch. To me, it's given 24, but this is a 26-inch reddish brown jerry curl wig. She's 150% density. She's a 13x4 lace, which I don't know what it is about the fall that everybody's getting back into lace. I feel like during the summer, we went through this like, you know, glueless kind of like moment. And now I'm back in the laces and laying them down, getting them together, okay? So this unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, lace in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever, okay? Period. So it also came with a band, okay? And this is really to make sure that mother is snug. We really haven't seen a lot of instances lately of women losing their wigs, but that don't mean that it's, or not even women, of people losing their wigs, but that don't mean it's not still happening if you're picking up what I'm putting down. So I'm just going to go on ahead. This unit for 24 inches is going for $300. So 26 is around just under $320. She's 150% density. Again, I do kind of like the color of the lace already. Let me dig on in until what they provided us. Unice hair, because I thought, it's so funny, I thought the wig was still in the bag. I mean, in the box, to be honest. I'm like, this is heavy. So I'm just going to go on through. Unice so graciously provided us with our little gift bags. So in this bag, we have our Unice band, which I'm going to use. We have these lashes, which I'm going to toss. We have a black bonnet. I'm really going to pick those up, though, y'all. Don't play. I am like the girl. I'm the girl's girl that when my girlfriends come to my house, my sisters come to my house, I have everything. Like, they're like, oh, would you happen to have French manicure tip press-on nails? And I'm like, why, yes, I do. Like, that's who I am. A bonnet, okay? And then they gave us, like, the, if you want to wear your unit glueless, they gave us a band for that as well. So, they gave us some cute little goodies. Let me dig into what else. They came through with, ooh. Oh, I like this. Okay. This is a brush branded Unice. Y'all know how I feel about branding. I'm here for all the branding. And I love a wig brush. So thank you guys for that. Y'all came with the goodies today, honey. We got another band. Oh, the invisible wig cap. Oh, I like that. Look at that, guys. So you can see how translucent it is. Okay, with all these goodies, Unice. And we got, let me tell you, this might be the only way I can get away with wearing a bonnet. My husband despises bonnets. Despise. And I don't listen to men and their likes or dislikes. But since I decided that I'm going to keep him, since I've decided I'm keeping him for a little bit, what he thinks matters. But I want to pull this out because I'm curious about what this is. What is this? Oh, how cute is that? Unice? Oh. Branded down to the socks. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it with the matching robe. Unice. Unice. What do you want from the kid? Let me go on ahead and throw this wig up on my head and I'm going to see you on the other side. All right, my loves, I've really promised myself that I was going to take my time and get this unit all the way together. Why? Because I had shit to do this weekend, and that required me to wear this unit the entire Mamie time, okay? So I'm going on through and getting mother all the way together. What I did was I used my Ibn tint in the color medium dark to really get her together. Really wanted to make sure the lace was skin-toned color, and she is. And I know what y'all thinking. Girl, ain't that a ball cap we seen already? Yes. Yes, it is. And judge your mammy. Okay, so I'm coming through and let me say this. This was one of my favorite units to get together.
The color on this is unbelievable. It's like really outstanding. I don't even think that this video is really doing it justice, but in the light, she looks really, really chef's kiss. This is the Unice Reddish Brown 3C Curly Hair Unit. She's a 13x4 lace front with the Autumn Breeze wig, okay? She's 150% density. She's 26 inches, and she's going for about $330 on unice.com. I'm really, really, really into this one. I want you guys to check this out. Now, this unit didn't shed. Well, let me back that up. She didn't tingle, but she shed a bit, okay? She shed a bit, but we expect that for curly hair. But the unit was very lightweight, and the curls were so beautiful to the touch. So I'm just going through and getting this unit all the way together using all of my Ibn products. Everything you see here, you can go on my Amazon storefront and grab it. So I'm just using our Unice paddle brush just to go on in and kind of loosen up these curls just a little bit, okay? Because what I'm going to do is go on through, work it on out, and then I'm going to spray her down. So outfit change. I hope y'all as into it as I am. This is a dress from J Lux label. I'm going on through, and I really, really want to get this lace the hell off. So I'm going to shut my Mamie Tap mouth, get into styling her the exact way I want so I can hit the Mamie Tapping streets.
Hit the streets, okay? Y'all wouldn't believe I ran several errands. My man is coming home, so you know I haven't seen him in 2 months, so it's about to be head on a pillow, hiking it in the air if you're picking it up what I'm putting down. So I had to make sure I was, you know, I had to go do some things. I had to go do some things. So I'm back, okay? She's been worn out for a few hours now. She's pretty big. I wet her before I left. But let me say this. Perfection. Chef's kiss. She's soft, she's lightweight. This is a very big head friendly unit, so I would definitely use the adjustable band just to make her feel nice, tight, and snug. We did glue her down, so mother ain't going no Mamie Tap and wear at all. Like, she's good. I might even get in a tussle just to prove it to y'all. I'm not gonna fight like that, I promise. I promise. But I really do like this unit, Unice hair. And I think what I like most about it, if I'm being honest, this color is phenomenal. Y'all better get on this red hair. Listen, let me tell you something. You better get on it. This reddish brown look is about to take us into May. Mark my words. Mark my words. This color is taking us into May. Y'all gonna wait until Ariel come out. You know, you get the Disney move and then you get all up in your feeling there. You got to get red hair. Get it before then. I'm telling you, it's coming. Something is happening, okay? And it's starting with this reddish brown color. So I'm really into this. I really gave you guys all the details in the video. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Did you get the whole back though? Y'all should see the whole other side of this room. It's scary over here. scary, okay? If you have not already, do me a favor, bust down, subscribe to this channel. Unice Hair, not only did they come through and provide us with this banger, absolute banger, they also made sure to give us all the gifts a girl could ask for, okay? So make sure you guys check out Unice Hair. I've been working with them for a very long time. This is a company that I am 10 toes down about. I really do think that they give quality hair, and I know that the price can sometimes seem, hold up sis, what you doing? What's going on? But I'm telling you, I'm telling the girls, it's worth it. So thank you for watching me. I'm Intisar Eleanor, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers on the other side.